Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. I'm Shaiju Balagopal, your fitness trainer. And what we're going to do today is one of the most sought after, your biceps and triceps, making your arms big. So the huge biceps. So that's what we're going to focus on. Watch till the end. We're going to do both of it. All right, today, just few exercises, which is most important. So watch till the end. First exercise, what we're going to do is going to do the biceps curl. Okay, so what you're going to do, what's the function of the biceps? Is just pronation and supination of your hand. So the pronation and supination is the function of the biceps. So you can see that. As I supinate the biceps or the palm, you can see my biceps going up, right? And when I pronate, it goes down. So the expansion and the contraction of this takes care of the pronation and supination of your hand. So what you're going to do is take your pinky from a suitcase hold, which is this, with the thumb facing forward, bring the pinky towards your face, thumb facing outwards, right? So that's what you're going to do. Keep doing that, okay? And that is what you're going to do with a single arm biceps curl. And you can see that contracting even without the weights. So if I turn this even further, it contracts really well, right? So that's what you're going to do. Second exercise is on the triceps and the triceps extension. That's the triceps overhead extension, what we're going to do. So you're going to carry the dumbbell over your head and then drop it. So your elbow is not flared but held against your ears, and then drop it down and extend it over your head. Alright? So I'll show it this way as well. So what you're going to do is drop it, then extend it over. I'm turning this way so that my forearm works as well, but with this, right? Or hold it this way if you're comfortable. Then keep extending that, right? And that actually works. Okay, works your triceps up really good. The long head of the triceps works completely. Next video, what you're going to watch is two exercises. One you'll see the ladies doing, and the other one the men doing. The men are leaning back on a bench and then curling their biceps all the way, concentrating the curl on your biceps bulge. Alright, so the short head works fully, and then same principle, trying to get the pinky to your face. That doesn't change, but you're going to pull the full extension of your biceps all the way up. And the women are doing on a cable the barbell lift, right? So instead of doing it on the barbell, since we decided to do it on the functional trainer, you're holding a short grip on the rod and then pulling it all the way up to the chest and bringing it up. So if you can hold your core and stand, if you don't have a back issue, then this is much better to hold. Otherwise, put your leg forward like that, keep pulling, right? So do that. Depending on how healthy you are. Try this workout and really appreciate it. The next video is about tricep press down. So we alternate between biceps and triceps. Okay, people who like to continue all the biceps together, all the triceps together, can do it that way, but we're going to do it this way, right? So we're going to do superset. So we're going to take the cable like this, okay? Imagine the cable is this and you're holding it, and then pressing it down from this flexion downwards and press it. So don't stand over it and put your body weight and press it down like that. All right. What you're going to do is take your chest forward, shoulders forward, and then press this down. All right. So that it doesn't come back like that. Contract your triceps fully, and then press it down. If you can, right? Open your arm like that, right? That even more flexes everything starting from here. Your brachii here, and your brachyradialis, your triceps. It just pushes down. Really try that out, and you'll find intense muscle contraction. Try it out. What do you do with your biceps every time? What do you try to do? You just lift the weight and put it somewhere, right? So that's what you do with your biceps most of the time. So what's the function like taking a grocery, putting it in your car, right? So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to lift a shopping bag and lift it up like that. So it looks like a shrug like this, but it's not. The shrug is with your hand wide, bringing your shoulder to your ears, using your traps. Here you're using your biceps, right? And lifting it up. So you can see my biceps contracting and then expanding. Biceps contracting and expanding. Just lift the bag, you'll see that. So lift, throw in the bag. So that's functionally what you do with the biceps. And then here is the exercise for it. Alright, thanks for watching till the end, and hope you like all the exercises we presented. And see you in another video, and stay with us. Like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends. Thank you.